find these roses such a delight to have in a garden? We would want to plant them all around our home. In this video, I will show you updates on the progress of a miniature rose that I divided. My name is Maya and welcome to Delightful Souvenirs. What you see now is a beautiful bunch of roses in my garden. I planted 3 pots of miniature roses in this section very close together. When I did that, I was not expecting these roses to flourish and grow this lush, but now you see how cramped they are. As a result, the plants developed fungus that caused the blooms to wilt even before they bloom. Too bad. I had to cut all the blooms away, prune the rose bush, and thin the leaves. I also removed some surrounding plants and foliage to give the rose bushes more room to breathe. This could have been prevented if only the roses had a bit more room to grow. So next season, I am planning to dig out these rose bushes, separate them, and replant with proper spacing. There's a total of 7 rose bushes in here, 4 varieties. To separate them will be a great project next year. I thought before that happens, I should practice with some potted miniature roses. At least I'll see if the roses would do well or not once the roots are disturbed. Here are 2 miniature roses I got on sale from the grocery store for $3.50 each. This pot of red mini roses has 3 plants, while the Cordana mini rose has 4 plants in this pot. The red mini roses doesn't seem to be doing well. It looks like it's not happy with being divided. The plant also fell on the ground accidentally before transplanting. That probably caused some damage too. We'll see how it goes. For now, I'll keep these roses in the shade in order to recuperate. I also remove most of the blooms so that the plants can concentrate on growing. These are the Cordana mini roses and they are doing so well. After 14 days, this red rose has rejuvenated and is looking very good. However, 2 of the roses are still in critical condition. So I decided to try putting them in a mini incubator or a greenhouse. All this time, these roses are placed in an area where they only get about 4 hours of direct sun. Partial shade gives them enough time to rest and reestablish the roots. I also kept their soil moist but not soggy. I water these roses with water used for rinsing rice whenever I have some available. Otherwise, I use plain tap water. 23 days later, all the roses are now looking fine. This is exciting! From 2 4-inch pots of miniature roses, we now have 7 to enjoy. This is one of the red roses. Isn't she gorgeous? The new growth of leaves are red in color. They almost look like autumn leaves. We are able to enjoy some blooms from these baby roses, but when they start to wither, deadheading can help the plant direct its energy into growing and producing more flowers. While you're watching the development of our divided mini roses, I want to share with you this quote from Samuel Johnson. Sow an act and reap a habit. Sow a habit reap a character. Sow a character and you reap a destiny. Just something positive to think about. It's been 33 days. Our roses have done so well. I believe we'll have healthy roses to plant in the garden this fall for beautiful blooms next summer. It's been a successful experiment. When these roses are planted in the garden, I'll make sure they'll have their safety bubble with plenty of room to grow. Please let me know how you like this video by hitting the thumbs up or the thumbs down button. Please feel free to leave your comments and suggestions as well. Your feedback helps me to improve and keep making better and better videos. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Your support is my reward and encourages me to keep working hard. This has been Maya from Delightful Souvenirs.